thought it was amazing. It was the best workshop I've actually ever done. Yeah.
The children engaged beautifully, they were buzzing, they loved working with all the different media. It was something they hadn't had a chance to experience before.
I just had really fun at Westbury. This might actually be a possible highlight of my time because it's a different experience altogether.
The children were all very engaged during the activities. The workshops were led very professionally and were well prepared, and so far we've had some wonderful feedback from children and parents.
Well, it makes me feel very happy of us doing all of this and proud of myself.
Jane was really encouraging the customers to take part in this. And there was a lady who was there nearly every morning waiting sometimes to join in. So that requisite at the beginning was just spot on the ball. It was exactly what we were looking for.
I enjoyed doing it all, really.
Did you?
I did, I really did, yeah. I did enjoy it. I enjoyed it more than anything else, actually.
I would say the enjoyment that I got was seeing the customers' faces when they were doing it. Seeing different sides of them come out from doing the art made put that smile on my face saying, well, we've actually found a key and it can happen somewhere else now.
I like that. I like it. Yeah, be happy.
Jane worked brilliantly with our children. The children loved seeing a real artist. That's right from our youngest children, aged 4, up to our oldest children, who were fascinated by her talent, that she could just draw many things just straight in front of their eyes. But it was wider than that. When the volunteers from the community came to take part, her manner made all participants feel really comfortable and relaxed, and meant they could actually enjoy the time that they spent within school. Many of them saying that it's therapeutic, and they even feel it should be prescribed on the NHS.
We worked fantastically well as a team. I felt that Arts Clubhouse understood exactly what we wanted, and that Arts Clubhouse and Jane listened to our ideas and then worked with them in the fantastic way that we needed her expertise to do.
I would unreservedly recommend Arts Clubhouse for further projects. The manner in which Jane deals with all of her clients is exemplary. She has good relationships with children and adults alike. Many of our children became very fond of her.
I'd recommend working with an outside company because I think you can use their expertise, and I think they can see things in a way that you may not be able to. Working in the school environment, it's good to bring in fresh ideas and fresh people to take you on a journey that you may not have been able to do, and that's exactly what Arts Clubhouse did.
I absolutely would recommend it. I think you get a lot more than you originally think you're going to get. As a governor, it's quite a big thing spending money on something that isn't books or teachers, and having to prove its worth, and I think it has done more than that, but particularly Arts Clubhouse made it easy for us to do it.
Absolutely, because the way it's been done from the beginning, it's all been about what we wanted, what the customers wanted. The whole process is exactly what we were looking for.